Eliminate duplication of information and effort with Engineering and Manufacturing Data Warehouse. Welcome to Logic Design Corporation, helping transform engineering and manufacturing since 1983. Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant, designed for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is based on an innovative engineering and manufacturing data warehouse that provides a single version of truth for your various software technologies throughout the manufacturing enterprise. This engineering and manufacturing data warehouse provides innovative software technology that allows you to easily connect your various software systems. These software systems include bidirectional connections with CAD, ERP and any other software technologies such as MES, scheduling and the shop floor. This helps eliminate duplication of information and effort throughout the manufacturing enterprise. Global Edge provides your manufacturing enterprise with innovative software technology that helps eliminate duplication of information and effort throughout the quoting, engineering and manufacturing workflow process. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.